Hi everyone, I'm Yuti and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to duplicate the artboards in Illustrator. So first, what is an artboard? Artboard is like a workspace in Illustrator. It's not a layer, it's like more like a canvas where you can create, arrange your design. You can draw anything on the artboard or anything outside in the artboard. You can even multiply the artboards and export them all at once, which helps to keep things organized. Now let's see how to duplicate the artboard. Quickly, we go to document setup, edit artboard. Now you will see the artboard in a edit mode. Hold alt and drag the artboard. This creates a duplicate within everything on it. Now you can select a new artboard and change the background color or make other edits without losing the original artworks. So the second method is by using artboard tool. The shortcut is Shift O. By pressing Shift O to activate the Artboard tool, click and drag while holding Alt to duplicate. If you have smart guides on, the new artboard will align perfectly, right? Super easy. Now, you can make multiple versions of your design in just seconds. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.